Good day, viewers. You are welcome. We have these interesting functional equations, but before you continue watching this video, pause it and give it a try. And after the end of the solvings, we are going to put a quick check if the answer we get satisfied. We have f of x equals f of 1 minus x plus x squared divided by 2. We're interested to get f of x. So let's consider the solution. So since what we are given is f of x equals f of 1 minus x plus x squared divided by 2. The first thing we are going to do is, since we have this as x and this is 1 minus x, and there's nothing we can get from here, the best thing we can do is we try to look for something of f of 1 minus x by just replacing x with 1 minus x in this equation 1. So by replacing it, we are going to have f of 1 minus x equals f of 1 minus open bracket 1 minus x, then plus 1 minus x squared divided by 2. So then we are going to have f of 1 minus x. This equals f of 1 minus negative. We open this, we have it as minus 1 plus x, then plus 1 minus x squared, all divided by 2. And next, so here we have f of 1 minus x equals f of plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. We only have f of x plus open bracket 1 minus x squared divided by 2. If this is what we get from equation 2, let's try to bring this equation together. Suppose I substitute equation 2 into equation 1. We know that the equation 1 is f of x equals f of 1 minus x plus x squared divided by 2. And if I replace this f of 1 minus x, which is the whole of this, into this, we are going to have f of x equals the whole of f of 1 minus x. It gives us f of x plus 1 minus x squared. Then we have divided by 2 plus x squared, but all of it also divides by 2. So we have in bracket divided by 2. Let's try to expand this. By expanding this, we are going to have f of x equals, if I multiply these 2 by x squared, we are going to have f of x plus 1 minus x squared plus 2x squared, all divided by 2. Then this also division changed to multiplication by taking the reciprocal of 2. If this is 2 over 1, then we have it as 1 divided by 2. Again, we have f of x equals, if I multiply 2 by 1, we are going to have 4. And this gives us f of x plus 1 minus x squared plus 2x squared divided by 4. If I cross multiplying 4 by f of x, we have 4 f of x equals, this is f of x plus, let's try to expand 1 minus x. We have it as 1 minus x multiplied by 1 minus x, then plus 2x squared. So taking this f of x to this side, we have 3 f of x equals 1 minus x multiplied by 1 minus x. It gives us 1 minus 2x plus x squared plus 2x squared. And again, we have 3f of x equals 1 minus 2x plus 3x squared. So x squared plus 2x squared gives us 3x squared. So we can actually divide both sides by 3. And here we have f of x equals 1 over 3 minus 2x over 3 plus 3x squared divided by 3. And we can see that some of these numbers cancelled each other, like 3 cancel 3, and while others still remain like that. So I can just try to rearrange this very well, as we have f of x equals, if 3 cancel 3, we have x squared minus 2x over 3 plus 1 divided by 3. This is the value of f of x. This is what we get for f of x. So this is actually a quadratic function. But how can we verify this? Let's try to verify this. If this is f of x, suppose I replace x with 1 minus x, we have f of 1 minus x equals 1 minus x squared minus 2 over 3 into bracket of 1 minus x plus 1 over 3. So with this we have f of 1 minus x equals, if I expand this one out, we are going to have 1 minus 2x plus x squared, then minus 2 into bracket of 1 minus x over 3 plus 1 divided by 3. So the whole of this right hand side for f of 1 minus x is given as, after we find the LCM and we try to collect some like terms and we evaluate, what we get is x squared. We have minus 4x over 3, then plus 2 over 3. But again, considering adding x squared with this, we are going to have f of 1 minus x plus x squared equals, adding x squared to this gives us 2x squared minus 4x over 3. Then we have plus 2 over 3. So, and let's divide this one by 2. Then divide the whole of this by 2 as well. That is, we are multiplying this by 1 over 2. So this equals, 2 will cancel 2 here, 2 reduce 2 here, and 2 cancel 2 here. And this is x squared minus 2x over 3 plus 1 over 3. So which is the equivalent value of f of x. So this thing works, and this is how to check. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.